Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my fried rice recipe. If you know me years back, 15 years back or so, you must have been wondering why is a fried rice recipe not still on this channel. This is like a national item for me years back and so even up to date. So today I'm going to share with you this recipe. You know fried rice requires a lot of prep and all that, but one most important thing is your broth. It's mostly used chicken or turkey, but today I'm going to go for turkey. Let's take this recipe step by step, guys. So first we will start with our protein, chicken, turkey or whatsoever, but let's stick by turkey today. So we're going to marinate everything generously. All the ingredients will be listed out in the description box. Guys, you know that 80% of your fried rice taste is coming from your chicken, your turkey stock. So marinate with your favorite spices. I went for some garlic, some onion, and then powdered ginger. You can go for fresh one, it's better. I have none at home. And then some chicken spices, some bouillon powder, salt, pepper, thyme. I went for rosemary and some basil. Generously marinate and cook on a low heat. You really want to do this on a low heat because this way you will have a very tender turkey that will melt in your mouth and a better stock. So let's do some small talk while cooking, guys. As a young girl back then, I used to cook a lot of fried rice. Everybody wants from me fried rice. My fried rice recipe is actually from my sister, my elder sister. But people everywhere I go, they want fried rice. It was so often that people were complaining, friends, Gbeboro, they say, was complaining already that all I know how to cook is fried rice. Yeah, it's fried rice. But that's not true, guys. I love food. It's my name. It's my hobby. It's my profession. Yo, food. And fried rice happens to be what I started with. So next, right now, we are through. Put the small talk aside. We are through with marinating. So cook gently, like I said earlier, guys. Next to prep is pork liver. This is what I mostly find here. Even if it's hard to differentiate the taste between pork liver and beef liver, I love the taste it brings to my fried rice. You can go for gizzard, shrimps, or even scrambled egg. Cook on a low heat, adding just plain water, no salt at the beginning. If not, your pork liver or beef liver is going to be too hard. Back to our turkey, it has been cooking without any liquid. It's released its own juice. Now we're going to add in enough water. We need this liquid to make our fried rice. So add in enough liquid and cover to continue to cook. To continue our prep is veggies, cutting of veggies. In all recipes that I've seen, there's always bell pepper, green, fresh bell peppers, green, yellow, red. So I'm going to cut mine in this small shape. I love to have it small. So cut in small shape if you prefer. Onion, I'm going for white onion. It's been cut also. And then I am also going for this type of veggies, frozen mixed veggies, carrot, green pea and sweet corn. Since I found this one, I actually don't go for extra ones like cutting fresh carrot. Just cutting of carrot is somehow a little bit too much work, so I go for this mixed one, baby carrot. The taste is it's amazing. I love that it tastes real good and they look cute also. So I just defroze and then cut the carrots. It's very fast. Cut the carrot to my preferred shape and then yeah, that's it. If you are new to my channel, if I haven't introduced myself, my name is Annie Cricket. Thank you so much for joining. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe, please, if you haven't done so. Subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much for joining us and thank you to my return subscribers. I appreciate you all so much. Next to prep is the pork liver. I usually cook and let it cool down. Use a plain water to wash out to take off any extra mess, if I may call it so, because it's easy to cut also. You don't mess up everywhere if it's cold. Turkey is done cooking, so we are going to bring out set aside, and this is the liquid, the stock we are looking for our fried rice. So drain your stock and then it's time to cook. While cooking your rice, please, you want to cook on a medium low heat, not overheat. If not, it will get burnt and not get dry evenly, because people complain their fried rice gets spoiled too fast. I don't think that's right. If all your ingredients is well dried, you can cook fried rice when your ingredient is dry, store in the fridge and have it in weeks. That's nothing happens. So wash your rice with hot water and introduce in your stock. While seasoning, be very careful. If not, you will over season. The stock is already powered with enough spices. Season with some salt, some thyme, and then turmeric is the key to the color of fried rice, and then some scotch bonnet pepper, salt, bouillon powder, and all the spices for fried rice. Cover up to cook. To my veggies, I'm also going to do them same way. I'm going to season with some salt, which is the liver, the pork liver salt, and then enough oil for the pork liver. Add enough oil, and then I'm going to bring to air fryer. I love to do this on a air fryer just to cook, and then my family can bring out anytime, pair all the ingredients together and they have their meal ready. The only thing I don't touch pre-cook is my bell pepper. I love to have that crunch on my mouth while enjoying it. This vegetable shouldn't be overcooked. And then next, I'm going to prep the liver. This is what the liver looks like on a air fryer, and then set aside. Everything is ready. Liver, the veggies, see, everything looks fresh. They should be fresh. I don't like to have overcooked veggies in my fried rice, because this will make the fried rice get spoiled easy, and you enjoy it more if everything is fresh. I think so. So I'm going to introduce some butter. If you wish, you can go for add small amount of oil to make it look this, shiny. Add small amount of oil and introduce first. I usually do the portion we are eating at that moment first, and every time, even if I'm not at home, hubby, daughter can go to the fridge and pair all the ingredients together. Everything is ready. So adding onion and then bell pepper. These ones are the things that have not been pre-cooked, and then rice. Still, the rest ingredient I have, I can just store them in the fridge, and anybody can go and make their fresh fried rice when I'm not at home. And here we go, we are ready to serve. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you like this recipe. If yes, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do so. Hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. Bye for now.